102, that is binary tree label order traversal. So here we are given the root of a binary tree where we have to return the label order traversal of its node values. That is, by label we have to first light the left node, first the root node, left node, then the right node. So here the label order traversal would be first 3, then 9, then 20, then 9 do not have a left and right child, so null, here also null, then 15 and then 7. So answer would be 3, 9, 20, null, null, 15 and 7. So first we have to take a queue which would store the root node. Then we have to traverse all the trees and check if the left child and right child is present, and we have to traverse the whole queue until the queue becomes empty, and we have to push each node. If the left node is present, we have to put it into the queue, and if right node is present, then we have to also push. So here is the code. We have to return a vector and vector int type, and if there is no root, we have to return the empty answer or empty vector. We have taken a queue of tree node type which will store all the nodes, and we have to first push the root to the queue until queue becomes empty. First we have taken the queue size as sj in the sj variable. Before it we have, and after that also we have initialized a vector int which for each iteration would return a vector, and until the we have to iterate the until the size of the queue, and we have to initialize a tree node which will store the queue front, and we have to pop it from the queue, and the f value we have to push it into the vector, and this should take place until till the size of the queue, or the all the nodes we have to traverse that are present in the queue. If left node is present in the queue, we have to push the left node. If the right node is present in the queue, we have to push the right. And after each iteration we have initialized a vector answer variable in the vector int type in the globally. We have to push each of the vector inside this answer variable until the queue becomes empty, and again if the left node is present, we have to push the left node. Then if right node is present, we have to push the right node and check until the queue becomes empty, and finally we have to return the vector int, and this would be the answer.